Ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal looks all set to focus on the electorally significant state of Uttar Pradesh. Kejriwal began his 3-day roadshow this morning. The 500-kilometer yatra started from Delhi and will end in Kanpur. The yatra will cover 15 Lok Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh, and Kejriwal is expected to stop over at key constituencies like Amroha, Moradabad, Rampur, Bareilly and Shahabad.
The election bugle has been blown. Arvind Kejriwal kick-starting his 3-day roadshow in the high-state state of Uttar Pradesh here from Kaushambi. Over the course of next 3 days, he will be travelling over 500 kilometers, trying to catch a pulse and trying to connect a chord with the UP voters, inciting him for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Also, his first big rally is going to be in Kanpur as Narendra Modi of BJP addresses people in Lucknow, just 80 kilometers away. Arvind Kejriwal will be making a political pitch in the commercial capital of Uttar Pradesh. Behind me, his cavalry kick-starting, trying to understand how to approach, after Delhi, how to approach the national campaign as well. The sounds that we hear around us talk about how, after Sheela, Modi is now on the radar of Aam Aadmi Party. Also, as they make their way to Kanpur, they will be targeting the Coal Minister Shri Prakash Jaiswal himself, targeting not just him and fielding candidates not just against him, but against other high-profile leaders of both the Congress and the BJP, including Samajwadi Party, against whom they believe are the corrupt leaders. So as we speak, we will be bringing to you stories from the ground and as Arvind Kejriwal kickstarts his 3-day roadshow on his way, and his target is this time Uttar Pradesh. With camera person Sanjay Kaushik, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV. The first question that comes to mind is why Kanpur? Very selectively chosen. Also, the timing is very crucial. Tomorrow, as the rally will be addressed by Mr. Kejriwal, we'll also have Narendra Modi, BJP's prime ministerial candidate, addressing a rally in Lucknow. Mulayam Singh Yadav addressing from Samajwadi Party, addressing another one in Allahabad. What is the political significance of this?
देखिए, कानपुर जो है वो श्री प्रकाश जायसवाल वहाँ से सांसद हैं और मंत्री हैं, और देश का सबसे बड़ा महा घोटाला, कोयला घोटाला जो हुआ, उसमें उनका भी नाम शामिल है। तो एक भ्रष्टाचार के मुद्दे से जुड़े हुए प्रतिनिधि का क्षेत्र है, और वहां से हम ये संदेश देना चाहते हैं कि भ्रष्टाचार हमारे लिए एक प्रमुख मुद्दा है, और उत्तर प्रदेश में जो हालात चल रहे हैं उसमें जनता के बुनियादी सवालों को पीछे कर दिया गया है। वहां खाली जाति की बात होती है, धर्म की बात होती है, कोई बिजली की बात नहीं करता, कोई पानी की बात नहीं करता, कोई बेरोजगारी की बात नहीं करता, कोई गन्ना के किसानों की बात नहीं करता।
So how is Aam Aadmi Party's agenda in Uttar Pradesh going to be any different? It is a state which has seen, like you said, seen a lot of religious divide, caste divide, and on various fronts. So what is going to be Aam Aadmi Party's strategy?
हमारी स्ट्रेटेजी यही होगी कि जनता को हम एहसास कराएं, ये महसूस कराएं कि 20-25 सालों में यूपी की हालत क्या हो गई है। एक भी यूनिट बिजली बनाने का कोई केंद्र नहीं लग सका उत्तर प्रदेश में। आज शहरों में 12-12 घंटे लाइट नहीं आती, गांवों में अगर लाइट चली जाए तो सप्ताह भर लाइट नहीं आती। उत्तर प्रदेश में कानून व्यवस्था की हालत यह है कि 121 से ज्यादा छोटे बड़े दंगे हो चुके हैं पिछले 2 सालों में। तो इन मुद्दों को हम राजनीति के केंद्र में लाना चाहते हैं। बेरोजगारी का सवाल है, गन्ना किसानों का सवाल है।